Hi, I'm David Yeaman, President and co-owner of Molded Precision Components here in Oromadante. We're a precision plastic injection molder in the automotive and medical space. It all started in 1991 with my university career at Queen's University. Struggling academically and financially, I pushed my way through, but let me tell you, it was worth it. With that degree, I learned how to learn. I learned how to take problems and break them down and find solutions for them. I was resourceful, I could learn quickly, and I could solve problems. And applying that to industry went a long way. And that education led to a really rewarding career for over a decade, developing advanced manufacturing systems in the plastics industry. Utilizing that experience, in 2006, I joined forces with my business partner, Thomas Woger, also a fellow engineer, and we developed Molded Precision Components. And over a decade, we developed a lights-out manufacturing facility utilizing Industry 4.0 technologies, advanced manufacturing systems, and lean manufacturing principles. And the facility now makes 76 million parts overnight with nobody here. Then in March 2020, COVID hit. We were able to take our business model, vertical integration of advanced design, tool design and build, automation build, and implementation of advanced manufacturing systems, and develop a face shield capable of making 450,000 face shields a day, and shipped over 27 million face shields in less than 6 months to Canada's frontline workers. And that's how you apply advanced manufacturing technologies. In parallel to that, we developed an advanced manufacturing system for N95 masks, and the first of its kind in the world, advanced manufacturing system for sanitizer, where we can make sanitizer in one continuous flow from a pellet of plastic to a finished product on a skid, fully automated. And I love what I do because we get to create high-paying, meaningful jobs that take people from surviving to thriving and contributing to our communities. And nothing's better than that. Secondly, we get to be on the forefront of technology, developing new products and new manufacturing systems to help put Canada on the map. And in the next 5 years, we get to take everything that we've learned and apply it to developing Canada's first advanced manufacturing medical innovation park. 83 acres and 1 million square feet of world-class Canadian companies all collaborating together to manufacture Canada's health security needs. Not only for now, but in the future, by Canadians and for Canadians. And all the while, I get to play with robots.